Okay, let's move fast through a demo of the Thanks.io system. You can always go ahead and create a free account right now and kick the tires yourself if you want. So right here, I'm going to click send now. This is kind of our quick send builder. It's going to give you a glimpse at our pricing. We have 4x6 postcards, 6x9 postcards, windowed letters, windowless letters, note cards, and gift cards. And you'll notice that it says upgrade to get the cheaper pricing. We have a business plan that will allow you to buy down the cost of sending each of these types to wholesale rates. And keep in mind, each of these prices include postage. Now let's hop on in to the card builder here. I'm just going to pick a simple thank you card as an image. Know that we have a direct integration with Canva, so you can open up your Canva account, use any of their pre-built templates and designs to make something really quickly for the front side of your card, or you can upload your own designs, or our team will even design cards for you free of charge if you want. Now here we are on the customized message page. This is where things get pretty interesting. I'm just going to select an existing template to save a little time right here, but you'll notice on the right side that there is a kind of a proprietary handwritten style that shows up right there, and if I click, I can choose from it's about 12 or 13 different fonts here, and we also have some international fonts. So this is a really cool feature. You can also change the color of those if you want to. You'll also notice here that you can edit QR codes. QR code tracking is a big part of the Thanks.io system. We focus on automation and integrating direct mail into your marketing automation or your shopping cart platform. And what's cool about our QR codes, I'm just going to type google.com in here for demo purposes. What's cool about these is that anytime they are scanned, you receive a notice by email, and you also have the option to use Zapier or another one, a Zapier type service, to push a notification out to your marketing automation or shopping cart system. So if somebody takes an action on your postcard, letter, note card, you will know by email, but also you can trigger further events in whatever software you use. So for the marketing automation geeks out there, you're really going to like Thanks.io. You have the ability to add some custom imagery. You see this custom background right here on this side. I'm going to skip that part right now, but just know that that is doable. I'm going to click save and continue right here. You can manually add the addresses you're sending to. We have a custom list builder that you can target all kinds of demographics, individuals, businesses, all kinds of cool pick lists that you can choose here to get a targeted list in the system. And I also like to show you our radius search. This is a new functionality that was recently added to the system. If I click on radius search here, you'll notice that you can choose from all different demographic types here. Retired, retiring, businesses, non-business, renters, potential first-time buyers, high net worth, property disposal, all kinds of stuff, and quickly build out lists around a center location. So think about every door direct from the Postal Service, but that on turbo, where you're able to kind of segment the data really quickly, and you can build a list that way. So I'll just pick existing list here that I have in the system and hit save and continue, and you can see just like that you can get a campaign out in the mail very quickly with the Thanks.io system. So that is our quick send functionality. Now I'm going to walk through some of the other stuff down here on the left hand, but first I'll mention you can see that we have really good tracking and analytics. These are our December stats. This is kind of a demo account that I use, so I haven't sent anything out of this month, but you can see right here that you'll see the stages that all of your sends are in. You'll see how many QR scans you have all in this nice little kind of dashboard. Now, walking down the left side, this basically breaks down what you saw in the Send Now section. We have mailing lists, message templates, images, and campaigns. And you kind of just saw these first three in action. Basically, you can build your sends out modularly, where you can have the message template, the image template, and the mailing list all operate separately. And then you can build out campaigns. If I click Add New Campaign, that basically allows you to send direct mail automatically like you do with drip email or with an autoresponder. So let's just say I'm going to send a postcard, this image template, this message template, and then I'll choose the mailing list this is going to go to, and then you can add rules to it. So I can say, hey, I want this sent 3 days after they are added to the mailing list. Or I want every year on December 21st, I want a card to hit, a Christmas card to hit. You can also directly choose holidays by choosing the holiday dropdown and sending on specific days each year to that list. So if you want an automated way to stay in touch with your customers or your leads, this is a really cool way to do it. Even friends and family, if you don't want to be the guy who forgets to send Christmas cards every year, you can just automate it here. We have a lot of users who also do birth dates. You can upload your people's birth dates, either your customers or your friends, family, into the system and just send an automatic birthday card every year, which is really cool stuff. So that's the campaigns functionality. We have sub accounts. If you happen to be a marketing agency or you work with multiple clients, just know that you can have multiple accounts under one in here. And I'm going to kind of stop now and just say that Thanks.io, that is kind of your quick demo of the Thanks.io platform. There's a lot more going on here. If you go down to the left-hand side, you'll notice that we have our integrations tab, for example, which talks about how you can send from Chrome. We have a Chrome extension. You can send directly from email. We have a robust API at thanks.io/API, and then we integrate with Zapier, Make, Pabbly, Integrately, those kinds of services that will tie us up to third-party systems. If you're in real estate, we have an API Nation tie-in. They're big in the real estate space. And then we do have a direct integration with Monday.com right there. But pretty much anything can be integrated with through Zapier. Any tools you're using now, you can add direct mail to your existing funnels, and it really makes sense to do so. The ROI, return on investment on sending something physical in the mail to your best customers or even your leads as a follow-up is really good, especially when you're talking only something like 60-something cents to get a postcard out, which includes postage. The ROI can be really nice. And the last thing I'll mention is that we do have an affiliate program as well. If you happen to have an audience and you want to kind of get your Thanks.io account paid for by referring other people, you can do that as well. So there's your quick demo of the Thanks.io platform. Somewhere on this page, you'll be able to create a free account. I'll just draw some random arrows here. You should see a place where you can create a free account. You'll get your first $10 in sends free. This is kind of ugly green, but I'll just go ahead with it. You can also request samples and do some other stuff here on the page if you'd like to. But go ahead, log on and get your completely free Thanks.io account right now. You'll have $10 to send yourself a card and to kick the tires right away. And thanks a lot for checking out Thanks.io.